Single drone destroy a group of 5 Russian troops. In the presented video frames, drone footage from the Ukrainian 25th Airborne Brigade shows a group of Russian troops which are driving on a small civilian car and trying to advance in the direction of the Ukrainian positions in the Donetsk region. While advancing, they get chased down by 2 Ukrainian quadcopter drones. And after the first 3 grenade drops, the Russian troops were forced to stop their damaged car and got outside. This was not a very smart decision, because now the Russian troops were stationary in the open, which just made them an easy target for the Ukrainian quadcopter drones. The drones are capable of carrying multiple grenades, and they make some very accurate drops, totally destroying this group of Russian troops.